some of the other things we popped up, John, is a lot of folks are looking for information and they're looking for data, and we know that the Ellis Engage has a lot of information, right? There's a lot of information. You can get stuck in there, right? You can be stuck in that website. So, John, when you go to your back office, what are some of the things that you look at when you log in? Maybe the first thing besides your commission.
The one thing that I'm kind of goal oriented is on my solution standings.
Mm-hmm.
So I try to make sure that I'm on track for Sapphire, which I hit that this year.
Mm-hmm.
But one of my goals was to get in the top 150 in the company. So I like to see where I'm at. This year I kind of fell a little short on that goal. But I want to start off January, kicking right off the bat, making a lot of phone calls, trying to set up appointments, not waiting for things to happen, but go make things happen.
Gotcha. It's and you mentioned that again. That's the second time Leadership Family John has mentioned that. Right now is considered network season in industry specific, because you're going to run across people you haven't seen probably all year. And things are a little bit slow sometimes, so you can reach out to them. It's a great time to just reach out and just say Happy Holidays or Happy New Year if you don't have your cards made up. And I have